Your setback is not the end. The test that reveals the flaw. Family, I want to share something that happened here on the land because it carries a message that every righteous vessel needs to hear. I built one of my no-till beds using leaves. I laid it out carefully, shaped it, and set the boundaries. But the spot I chose was in a natural water path. And last night, we had heavy storms. When I went out this morning, the rushing water had gone straight through the middle of that bed. It pushed the leaves out of their boundaries. It disrupted the design. It scattered what I had put together. And as I stood there looking at it, I realized something. This wasn't a failure. This was a test. See, people think a setback means the end. They think disruption means destruction. They think when something breaks, it means we were wrong. But that's not how life works. That's not how wisdom works. And that's not how the righteous grow. When the storm came through my garden bed, it didn't destroy me. It revealed something to me. It showed me the flaw in the design. It showed me where the boundaries were too weak. It showed me where the water naturally wants to flow. And that's the message I want to give you today. When life tests your work, it's not to punish you. It's to reveal what needs to be strengthened. A setback is not the end. A setback is information. A setback is instruction. A setback is revelation. You don't know the strength of your design until it's tested. You don't know the weakness of your boundaries until pressure hits them. You don't know the truth of your structure until the storm comes. And when the storm exposes the flaw, that is not failure. That is opportunity. Opportunity to adjust. Opportunity to redesign. Opportunity to reinforce. Opportunity to build it better than before. Most people get discouraged when something breaks. But the righteous understand you can't fix what you can't see, and you can't see it until it's tested. The storm didn't ruin my garden bed. The storm taught me how to build it correctly. And the same is true in your life. When something falls apart, don't collapse with it. When something gets pushed out of place, don't assume it's over. When something doesn't hold up under pressure, don't call it failure. Call it revelation. Because now you know what needs to be changed. Now you know what needs to be strengthened. Now you know what needs to be redesigned. Setbacks are not endings. Setbacks are teachers. Setbacks are tests that reveal the truth of your design. And once you see the flaw, you can fix it. Once you fix it, you can grow. And once you grow, you become unshakable. Just like the land teaches me every day. The storms in your life are not there to destroy you. They're there to show you how to build something that can't be destroyed.